everyone, today I'm excited to share with you my top picks for making money online in Nigeria. From freelancing to selling products online, I'll give you the lowdown on the best ways to earn a decent income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I will share to you in details on how to make money in Nigeria in 2025 without stress. And note that after this lectures, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comment section. Making money in Nigeria is very difficult now because the Nigerian economy isn't favorable. But in this video, you will learn how to make money in dollars without needing a laptop. All you need is your cell phone and you are ready. But first, before we start, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now let's begin. First on my list is freelancing. Who is a freelancer? Freelancers are typically considered to be independent contractors. They are contracted to perform work for another entity as a non-employee. Instead of being employed in a permanent position by a company, freelancers work on a per-project or contract basis, often for numerous different clients or companies. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a range of opportunities for Nigerians to offer their skills to clients globally. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, there's a demand for your skills. Plus, you can work on your own schedule and choose the projects you want to take on. Then we have online surveys. I know what you're thinking. Aren't online surveys a waste of time? But hear me out. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research offer paid surveys that you can complete from the comfort of your own home. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a simple way to earn some extra cash. Affiliate marketing is another one. I have a childhood friend that is making millions in affiliate marketing. This is a popular way to make money online in Nigeria, and for good reason. By promoting products or services from companies like Amazon, Jumia, or Konga, you can earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. It's a great way to monetize your social media following or blog. Selling products online. Selling products online is another way to make money in Nigeria. Platforms like Jumia, Konga, and OLX offer opportunities for Nigerians to sell their products to a wider audience. Whether you're selling electronics, fashion items, or home goods, there's a demand for your products. Creating and selling digital products. Finally, creating and selling digital products. This is a lucrative way to make money online in Nigeria, and it's easier than you think. You can create products like ebooks, courses, or software, and sell them through platforms like Gumroad or Selfie. Plus, you can reach a global audience. So there you have it, my top picks for making money online in Nigeria. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there's something on this list for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to making money online.